Hi, I'm Zhang Fu, professor at the Department of Public Health of the National Taiwan University. I'm also a certified industrial hygienist recognized by the American Board of Industrial Hygiene. My current research topic includes the following areas: source apportionment of air pollutants and source-specific exposure assessment. Why do I emphasize sources in my research? The reason is that from the perspective of protecting public health, we will need to know more about the sources in order to develop effective control strategies. The common research methodologies used in my lab include field sampling, chemical analysis, and advanced modeling, such as recipe models and land use regression models. I'm looking forward to meeting all the participants at the conference. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Xinchang Chen. I'm currently the assistant professor of Institute of Food Safety and Health. In my lab, I divide into 3 groups. The first one is environmental analysis. We can use the novel extraction approach to extract the emerging contaminants in our environment, including the water samples, salmon, and fish samples. We apply the design expert to design the extraction parameter and also to optimize the parameter to extract the target analytes from our matrix. And also we apply the LC-MS, MS, and the GC-MS to quantitate this kind of emerging contaminants in our environment. The second part is we apply the extraction approach, such as catchers and solid phase extraction, to quantitate the target analytes, including the hydroxyamines, isosamine, and acrylamide in our food, such as the meat, ham, sausage, and some kind of cereal. And we apply the LC-MS to quantitate this kind of target analytes. And we also propose the mitigation strategies to reduce the effect of human, such as we may suggest to inject more lot of vegetable food and some nuts to reduce the effect of toxins in your human body. The third part is we can apply the LC-MS to quantitate the nutrient in our biosample, such as urine and also in serum. We can apply the LC-MS system with the simple extraction approach to quantitate the fatty acid in your human plasma and also in red blood cell. We also can apply the LC-MS system to quantitate the vitamin C, vitamin D, A, D, E, etc. in our human plasma. We also can quantitate the CoQ10. It's an antioxidant in your human serum to examine the content of antioxidant in your human body. We can apply different kind of approach to quantitate different kind of target analysis with LC, with various sample extraction approach. And also we can apply the LC-MS system to quantitate the various target analysis. And we also apply the LC-Q12 system to screen the pesticides in the import food, including the Korean strawberry. We found there are 6 non-target or non-list pesticides in the Korean strawberries. So we can apply different kind of approach to quantitate target analysis with our system. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Xiaoyou Yang. I'm an occupational physician and also an epidemiologist. My research field is breathomics, and my study interest is occupational environmental lung disease. Exposure to dust or PM2.5 will cause lung disease. However, it's difficult for a doctor to make a diagnosis of occupational environmental lung disease because the causes of the disease are multifactorial and their early symptoms are non-specific. To solve this problem, we have developed new breath tests. We use sensor array, GC-MS, and machine learning technique to analyze the metabolite in the breath. We have applied this method to diagnose pneumoconiosis, breast cancer, and lung cancer, and results show the method have high diagnostic accuracy. My ongoing research will apply this method and integrate the air pollution data to predict asthma attack in school children.
Hello everyone, I'm Pio Lin. I'm a school nurse. I'm interested in the research of the children asthma management. Thank you.
Hi, we are Young Slave. Today we are going to introduce our procedure system and our future work.
We use this device to collect human exhaled alveolar air. The air will through a mouthpiece and collect in the Tegla bag. In previous study, we applied this device to diagnosis pneumoconiosis patients.
After we collect exhale of that air in the Tegla bag, we will use the electronic nose to analyze VOC metabolite in the samples.
And then the electronic nose will produce a statistical result and input to a specific fingerprint. We have used these fingerprints to diagnose breast cancer and lung cancer. The accuracy is over 80%. Furthermore, we will diagnose the exhaled alveolar air of the elementary school students.
Hi everyone, my name is Jiabin Qiu. Currently, I am one of the project assistant professor in Institute of Occupational Medicine and Industrial Hygiene. I'm very happy to join the Public Health Research Center program, which is supported by College of Public Health National Taiwan University. Now, environmental exposure and health is my research field, my study field in this program. Actually, I got a PhD degree in environmental engineering from National Zhongxin University in Taichung, 2005. Source suppression techniques and aerosol modeling is my research field. Later, I was a postdoctoral fellow to study human health risk assessment in Department of Bioenvironmental System Engineering, National Taiwan University for about 7 years. My teaching courses include the health risk assessment practice and environmental data analysis and simulation. I also guest reviewer for several journals, include aerosol and air quality research, atmospheric environments, and Journal of Hazardous Materials and Sanitary Environments. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I am Jiakun Chen. I'm glad you are watching my video. My research focuses on the flow control, and they including the industrial ventilation and the indoor environmental quality. Through the study of the flow control, I analyze the problems of the workplace and the indoor environments and given them the suggestion for improvement. In addition, I'm also committed to the design of the innovative ventilation technology and the development of flow machinery. I hope I will contribute to the practical applications while I conduct the academic research. If you are interested in my studies, welcome to contact me. See you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kun Xian Cai. Welcome to Taiwan, Mazhu. My major work is about the mosquito control and also the mosquito ecology. As you may understand that the malaria and the dengue is transmitted by the mosquitoes. In the past years, we work for malaria control in the African country named São Tomé Príncipe, located in West Africa. We developed some control strategies, especially the larvae control and the proactive surveillance in that country. And about the dengue control, as you may understand that we have used a lot of pesticide to control mosquitoes. So some mosquitoes has raised the chemical pesticide resistance. So we try to develop some eco-friendly approach methods to control mosquitoes. Beyond that, we also interested about the vector-borne rickettsiosis. In the past year, we have identified a lot of Rickettsia pathogens from local Taiwan. With this data, we can now alert some people to prevent the biting from the ectoparasites, especially the tick, mite, and the flea, and also the mosquitoes. So about the mosquito control, vector control, or the tick mite control is our major work and our interest. Finally, I also welcome all of you to enjoy the meeting during these days. Welcome to Taiwan again. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Charlene, and I currently serve as a project assistant professor at the Institute of Occupational Medicine and Industrial Hygiene. My experiences in public health studies include health behavior models, health education, toxicity studies using animal models, and health risk assessment. Currently, I am branching out into the field of air pollution studies. Specifically, I like to assess the health impact of air pollutants on specific populations. I look forward to hearing everybody's presentation, and I wish you a fruitful conference.
Hello, I'm James Yuan, and you can call me Zixuan Yuan, and I am the project assistant professor in OMIH in our public health college in NTU. And in the past around 10 years, I focus on the petrochemical complex in Taiwan, and I focus on its exposure assessment, to its biomonitoring, to their resident health effect. In the beginning, we found some like sulfur dioxide exposure, and we use some specific exposure biomarker to successful link the outside ambient like vanadium, pH exposure to the resident urinary, like their related biomarkers levels. And after that, we use this questionnaires data from our resident cohort and retrospective to link their health insurance data and find some health impact like cancer and like some respiratory disease in children in this area. So I think after that we still move on going to this area and to maybe the exposure, maybe the health effect. But I think I will use my experience to from this area to use it to the PHRC's research now for the whole Zhanghua, because Zhanghua also have a lot of industrial problem, and we hope to solve this problem and to work with our college to make it be better place and to improve the whole community's health and maybe the environment. Thank you.